Hey there, my name is Ty. This is my YouTube channel. This is my 2015 Chevy SS sedan and my 2004 Silverado. I make car videos, truck videos. I make videos of my vehicles, my family's vehicles here and there when I have a chance. Just wanted to put this little clip at the beginning of this video letting you all know that I got an email from YouTube telling me that my channel is no longer eligible for monetization. So the new policy is you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in the last 12 months. And I have enough watch time. We're just a little short on the subscriber count right now. I think we're at like 860. So the new policy is going to take effect on February 20, I think, which is about 1 month away. So if you like one of my videos here and there, or you're excited about seeing more videos on my SS, my Silverado, or my dad's new work truck that this video is going to be about, hit the subscribe button. I don't like to subscribe to channels that I don't care about, that I'm not excited about, that I don't want to watch every day. So I wouldn't expect anybody to do the same for me. I wouldn't expect anybody just to subscribe to my channel for the heck of it to help me out. So if you like my videos and you want to see more, hit the subscribe button. If not, that's fine. But let's get on to the video. Hey guys, this is going to be a quick little video of a modification to my dad's new work truck. So we got some wheels for it. It might look familiar if you know my other truck. 20-inch 5-spoke, polished aluminum, got brand new Michelin tires from the GM dealer, so we're going to slap them on, see what they look like. So we're going to get the old stock 17-inch steel wheels off. GM is always, it's either 7/8 or 22 millimeter. They're both the same basically, so. While we had the wheel off, we got these factory carpet wheel well liners and put them in there. They're really easy to install. Just have to take a couple of these bolts loose on this deal and then put the carpet on top, put the rest of the bolts in. There's little metal kind of fasteners that you snap into holes, and then you just put the carpet in there, tighten the screws. That's it. So there's what it's going to look like. We're going to put the rest of the other three on, and we'll get some better footage of it out in the daylight tomorrow.